Ever pondered on how to tip the scales in your favor when playing a game of blackjack? Well, today, we're delving into the world of probability theory to help you do just that. Probability theory, in simple terms, is the branch of mathematics that measures the likelihood of events to occur. It's the mathematical framework that allows us to predict outcomes in a game of chance, like blackjack. Imagine a deck of cards. There are 52 cards in a standard deck, right? Well, probability theory allows us to calculate the chance of drawing any given card. For example, the odds of drawing an ace from a freshly shuffled deck are 4 in 52, or approximately 7.7%. But blackjack isn't just about drawing aces. It's about understanding the game, the deck, and how each card changes the game's landscape. Every card drawn changes the composition of the deck and, therefore, the probabilities of drawing certain cards. For instance, if you've seen 3 aces played, you now know that only 1 remains in the deck, drastically reducing the odds of drawing an ace. This is where the concept of conditional probability comes into play. Conditional probability is the likelihood of an event occurring, given that another event has already occurred. So, how does this translate to blackjack? Well, by keeping track of the cards that have been played, you can adjust your strategy based on the changing probabilities of drawing certain cards. This is known as card counting, a strategy that, while not illegal, is frowned upon in most casinos. Now, card counting isn't about remembering every single card that's been played. Rather, it's about keeping a running count that helps predict whether the remaining cards are favorable to you or the dealer. For instance, a high positive count indicates that many low-value cards have been played, which means the deck is rich in high-value cards. In such a scenario, you might want to increase your bet, as the odds are now in your favor. Conversely, a high negative count suggests that many high-value cards have been played, and the remaining deck is rich in low-value cards, favoring the dealer. So, to sum up, using probability theory in blackjack involves understanding the basics of probability, the concept of conditional probability, and the strategy of card counting. Remember, each card drawn changes the probabilities, and keeping track of these changes can significantly increase your odds of winning. Of course, no strategy can guarantee a win every time, and it's important to play responsibly. After all, the house always has an edge. But by understanding the principles of probability theory, you can certainly improve your chances and make your blackjack experience more strategic and hopefully more profitable. And that, my friends, is your crash course on using probability theory to increase your odds in blackjack. Until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor.